Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two of the top AI chatbots, ChatGPT and Google Bard. Both have made waves in the world of artificial intelligence, but which one is better in 2025? Let's break down their features and see which chatbot comes out on top. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has been one of the most advanced language models available. With the ChatGPT app, you can engage in conversations, ask complex questions, and get incredibly detailed responses thanks to its vast training on diverse datasets. In 2025, ChatGPT has evolved even further, offering more natural and human like conversations. It's available on multiple platforms and has integrated with several third party apps to boost productivity. ChatGPT also offers specialized versions, like ChatGPT Plus, for users who need even more advanced features, such as access to the latest GPT models, enhanced accuracy, and faster responses. One of its standout features is the ability to generate highly creative content like essays, code, and more. Now let's turn to Google Bard. Bard, developed by Google, is powered by Lambda, a conversational AI model that's designed to provide more open-ended, nuanced responses. In 2025, Google Bard has made huge improvements in terms of integrating real-time data from the web. Bard's ability to pull information directly from Google's search engine allows it to provide up-to-date answers on news, trends, and more. It's also well known for offering more concise, fact-based responses, making it a great choice for research and quick information gathering. Additionally, Bard's seamless integration with other Google services like Google Assistant and Google Workspace makes it an appealing choice for users already within the Google ecosystem. So, how do these two stack up? ChatGPT excels in its ability to hold extended conversations and generate detailed, creative content. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas, writing, coding, and tackling more complex questions. Plus, it offers more flexibility with different modes of use. Google Bard, on the other hand, is more data-driven and integrates seamlessly with real-time web information and Google services. It's fantastic for quick fact-checking, research, and getting concise answers. Plus, if you're already using Google products, Bard might feel like a natural extension. But which one is better in 2025? It really depends on what you need. If you're looking for creative content generation, in-depth conversations, or more specialized tasks, ChatGPT might be your best bet. However, if you're after real-time information, quick fact-based answers, and tighter integration with Google's ecosystem, Google Bard is a strong contender. So which one would you choose, ChatGPT or Google Bard? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this one.